In Creo Parametric, you can create bulk items in an assembly. These are for things that you want to appear in your bill of materials, but you're not going to create geometry for. These are things like lubricants, paint, even things like staples. I need to create some blue paint as an object in my product structure and bill of materials. So in order to do that, I will click on the Create button in the ribbon. This opens up the Create Component dialog box. The default type is set to part. I'm going to change it to bulk item. And then for the name of the item, I'm going to call it Paint Blue. You can fill in a common name for additional words that you want to use to describe it. I will click the OK button. This opens up the Creation Options dialog box. There are two different options. The one that is selected is the recommended option, Copy from Existing. This allows you to use an existing template for creating this new bulk item. Here it is listing the default template. I'm happy with this one. If you want to use a different bulk item, you can click on the Browse button and then navigate to that template for creating the bulk item. Then we have an option here to edit parameters and relations, and that allows you to add additional information to that bulk item, like a manufacturer's part number. Let's click on the OK button, and now we have our relations dialog box. Let me expand the first column, and we have some information like BOM report quantity. I'm actually going to create a different parameter for the quantity. I will click on the plus sign. I'm going to use a custom parameter called QTY. Then for the type, let me expand the column by dragging the side. I'm going to click in there and change this to a string so I can use words. And let me expand this. And let's say that I know that I want to allocate 1 gallon. So let me type that in, 1 gallon. That is good. I can continue creating more parameters if I want to, but I'm happy with this. Let me click the OK button. Now my bulk item is created. If you take a look in the model tree, it is represented with a special symbol that looks like a bucket. And so that is how you can create bulk items in an assembly.